right now, yung kwek-kwek. Kwek-kwek.
Tapos, tokwa. Tokwa.
Sa akin yung kwek-kwek.
Isaw.
Calamares.
I don't eat street. Usually, merienda lang siya, so at least 20 to 30 pesos. Minsan, umabot ako ng 50 pesos. Yun na yung max.
50 pesos.
Strictly 20 pesos lang po.
Para makauwi.
Same, 20.
50. I think it's very dignifying to see so many people has provided us many opportunity to eat in different cultures. Parang ganun. They represent Filipino culture, and that's what I would say.
Mahirap kasi, may time kasi na hinuhuli sila, di ba?